Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have two young boys that love to play games online with each other. So when we got my youngest this Ozeino gaming headset, he was so excited. I think one of the things he loves most about this are the awesome lights. They have rainbow colored lights, plus the microphone lights up. This is an adjustable headset, so virtually anybody could wear it. He's only 7 and he's tiny for his age, and it fits him just fine. It's very comfortable as well. There's memory foam on the earpieces as well as on the top of the headpiece. This headset is compatible with PS5, PS4, PC, Mac. We have a PS4. It comes with a USB port that we just plug right into the front so that it can connect. Super simple to get it up and running. You have the controls on the back of the headset for the volume and the power. These operate really smoothly. My son never complains about the sound being delayed due to any kind of lag. It makes his gaming experience really smooth. So he's really happy with them. And you know what I love? My children aren't yelling back and forth from across the hall to communicate anymore. And that makes me happy. And that's our point of view.